Hello children, welcome back to your English language class. In today's module, we will study the topic subject-verb agreement. In the previous module, we have discussed about some rules, and today also we will be continuing with the remaining rules. Alright, so let's start. Before starting, we will do just a quick revision. The verb in a sentence must agree with the subject in number and person. This we have already studied. This means that singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. Alright? Alright. Now, two singular subjects connected by or takes a singular verb. For example, sugar or jaggery can be used as the sweetener in halwa. Here we are getting, in this sentence, we are getting the option with the word or. So when we have or in a sentence, with the help of or, two singular subjects are connected. So with that, the verb will always be the singular. With expressions like along with, besides and not, the verb agrees with the first subject. Alright, let's see some examples. Seema, along with her friends, is coming to our house. We have used along with in this sentence. The expression along with is used. So, we will use the verb according to the first subject. The ministers, not the president, are responsible for the crisis. In this sentence, the expression not is used. That's why we will use the verb according to the first subject, that is plural. So we have used the verb also plural. Besides Tina and Mary, no one is in the room. Alright, here also we will use the verb as per the first subject. We use singular verbs with nouns that look plural in form but are singular in meaning. For example, the news is fake. Alright, news is a word which is said news only. It is singular in meaning, but because of S, it looks plural. So, with these type of words, we use the singular verb only. Mathematics is a scoring subject. Here also, mathematics, it is singular in meaning. That's why we have used a singular verb. We use singular or plural verbs with collective nouns depending on their use in the sentence. Alright, with collective nouns we can use singular verbs also, we can use plural verbs also. It depends on the meaning of the sentence how we are using that collective noun. For example, the council has chosen its president. Here the collective noun council, we have used a singular word because here the council is used as a one council members. Alright, a team, a council of some members, those who have chosen their president collectively. So that's why we have used a singular verb. The committee was agreed on the main question. Here also committee means also group of some members. So we are talking about group. So we have used singular verb. In regard to details, the committee were divided. Now here we are using the word divided. It means all the members are not agree on the same thing. They are divided in their views. So that's why we are using plural verb as per the different members of the committee. Units of measurement or time usually take singular verbs. For example, 10 lakhs is a lot of money. 2 liters of milk is required for the pudding. Now children, we have completed with the rules. Now let's do some exercises. Javed, not his friends, dash to blame. We have already studied this rule that when we use the expressions not, besides, along with these all expressions, the verb agrees with the first subject. So what is the first subject? Javed, a singular noun. So we will use here Javed, the not his friends, is to blame. All right. Slow and steady dash the race. This is a very famous proverb also. So we all know the answer, but which rule works for this? We have studied in the previous module that when two singular nouns are added with and they have a same meaning, or they give one same idea, they relate with same idea, there we use singular verb. So slow and steady wins the race. 2 and 2 dash 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. Here also they are giving us the same idea of addition. So that's why we are using singular verb. Each of the boys. Don't go with the word boys. Don't be confused, children. We have already studied this rule that each, every, like these all words we always use singular verb. So each of the boys was given a prize, means from all the boys we are talking about individually each. So that's why we will use singular verb. The class dash empty. Here also we are talking about the class. It's a collective noun. The class means a room, a place. We are talking it collectively, a class in which many students sit. So we will use a singular verb. All right. The class is empty. So I hope the topic, subject, verb and agreement is clear to you all. Thank you, children.